When a kitty drinks too much milk.
And his name is John C.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo.
It's cold, just cold, into the mountain. Nice.
Mom, are your shorter sweater sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
In my house, we have to be really careful about going on top of blankets, and I'm going to show you why.
Kiki!
What you doing, you fuzzball? What are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, you can't be angry at me, can you?
How about you and me, Duchess?
Yes, let's swing it, Daddy. Groovy, Mama, groovy.
I have a boyfriend. No.
Tell me your cat's name, then all the things you call them besides their name. Kurt. Curtis. Kurt the Squirt. Kurt Alert. Curdy Wordy. Curious Kurt. Curtinator. Kurtster. Kurt Cobain. Kurtingtons. This is your sign to buy some balloons and stick them on your cat.
Why'd she do that?
So when I pull out this chair, I get this very feisty Uno. Hi, Uno. Oh, you watching me? You watching me? Hi.
Again? You're so cute.
Slowly approach your dog, and then do a little jump at the end.
She is very gorgeous to me.
Well, would you look at that?
We have to go. We have to go. We have to go to the bed. We have to go. We have to go.
Shaka, I want to take a nap. Let me take a nap. Stop.
My cat trusts me so much. Sometimes she jumps when I'm not even looking.
No. No. Ow! Ow! That hurt! Why'd you hurt me? Ow!
My mom says I can no longer have bowls of water because I can't control myself. I keep chugging all of it at once and puking it all over the carpet and then begging for more. Mom was desperate, so now I only get bowls of ice.
So I'm watching these guys while Alex and Tasha are gone. They're not as easy to take care of as it looks. Which one of all of you guys pooped on the floor? Who hid the meat? They won't let me leave without trying to escape.
Unless you have a cat, you just wouldn't understand. Like, oh, their little face, and their whiskers, and their little colours on their fur, and their tails, and their paws, and their little cat beans, and their ears.
Wow. Wow.
You okay, buddy?
Okay, new challenge. Wait till your dog's sleeping, then take one of his favorite treats and put it under his nose and see if he wakes up.
Get your dog ready for a walk and then act like you forgot them.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend.
not gonna work.
Stop running amok and hiding under tables and coming out and get my ankles because I'm really not gonna tolerate it. Alright? Alright, you need to show me some respect. I spend a lot of money on you and I get nothing in return. Alright? I love you. Off you go.
Oh, thank you. I really needed that. That was really nice. Another one. Thank you.
Here's Jared. He never seen a dog like this before. Jared, and this is what you got. Ghost, and come so you can see Zoe.
That belly rub.
And that's Zoe. So he's gonna jump. They're excited because they like visitors.
Dude, do you take them outside at all?
They take me for a walk every day.
So you gotta go one at a time. Probably.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, well, I acted tough one time and took both of them, but I ended up under a truck. So I don't do that anymore.
That's so funny.
Yeah, but I love them though.
Deborah, help me. I need help. Come here. Come here. Come here. Deborah, help. Come here. Deborah, come here. Come here. Deborah, come here. Come here. Come help me. Come here. Deborah, help. Come here. Come here. No. Stop.
Calling dogs names in the yard to see what they do.
Scooby-Doo? Scooby-Dooby-Doo? Zeus? Daisy? Did you want to play? Did you want to play? Oh, hi, Teddy. Oh, Zelda? Is your name Zelda? Beer.
Me metí al cuarto y míralos. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Ahora no puedo entrar al cuarto. No puedo. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó, güey? Ah, no, hombre, déjenme tranquilo.
I'm sorry. I'm just going to use the back of this pencil right there.
Gus, that's not Tucker. That's not Tucker. I know it looks like Tucker. That's not Tucker. No, I know it looks like him. I know. He wants to play.
That's a big worm for you, bud. Go get it. Oh, he's gonna do it. What are you doing, dude? Bounce on it. Get it. Get him. That worm knows what's coming to him. You gotta wait on him, Timmy. Let him come back. Oh.
Quick PSA, if you don't like dogs that get human treats, just don't follow our account. Our dogs have never had health issues. When it comes to food, they don't get sick. They've had human food all their lives. They're not overweight. They're not unhealthy. So you're just annoying. Just shh. Doesn't matter. So we're having a girls' day today because Daddy's out of town. So for a treat, Onyx's favorite thing in the world is spaghetti meatball. And I'm lazy. So instead of making it today, I got them a plate of spaghetti meatball. They're not going to get the whole plate, but they are going to get some. Do you know why Mama called you here? Do you know why Mama called you here? I got spaghetti for you. I got you some spaghetti. I tried to make it look nice, but it does not. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Do you want your sketty? Get it.